Get ready to learn everything about HTML headings. Headings in HTML are used to define titles or subtitles on a web page. They help structure content, improve readability, and enhance search engine optimization. Take a look at this example website without headings. It's really messy, isn't it? Titles, subtitles, and other text all look the same. It's hard to tell what's important and what's less important. Now, here's the same website with proper headings. See the difference? It looks clean, well-structured, and much easier to read. This is the power of using HTML headings. HTML provides 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. Each represents a different level of importance. H1 is the most important heading, used for the main title of the web page. H2 is used for subtitles or main sections. H3 is used for sub-subtitles or tertiary headings. H4 to H6 are used for subsections or finer details. Headings are block-level elements. This means they take up the full width of the page. The next element always starts on a new line. Browsers apply default styling to headings, such as larger, bold fonts. However, you can customize their appearance using CSS. Don't worry, we'll cover CSS later. Here are some essential tips to ensure you use headings effectively. Use only one H1 per page. The H1 tag should define the main topic of the page. Using multiple H1 tags can confuse both users and search engines about the page's content. Use headings in order. For example, don't skip directly from H1 to H3 without using H2. Headings are for structure, not styling. Avoid using heading tags for styling purposes only. Use them to organize your content logically. Now that you know how to use headings, let's put this knowledge into practice. Download the resource file provided for this lesson and open it in VS Code. Inside the folder, you'll find an HTML file and a solutions file. Take a quick look at the solutions file to see how headings are structured. Open the HTML file. You'll see unstructured content. Your task is to use headings to organize this content, following the structure in the solutions file. That's it for this lesson on HTML headings. See you in the next lesson.